So we have Sri Lakshmi from Aptos with us. Thank you for joining us. And how is Aptos planning to grow its ecosystem in India over the next years?
I think we've done a lot of base work already. What we want to do is build on top of it. So next year, we're going to be seeing a lot more mature programs, a little bit more advanced level programs, so that we can build on top and get all the founders together and potentially build a network effect from there.
So what opportunity do you see for Indian developers in Aptos?
I think it's not year bound, right? We always have opportunities for you all. We are going to be opening up more open source contributions so that you can reward. You don't always have to go via programs. And apart from that, we obviously will have a lot more of developer programs for you or to onboard more of you guys.
And what are some of the biggest misconceptions which Aptos is trying to solve?
I don't think misconceptions, but I think people are still not aware about the fact that we are the fastest blockchain and how we have sort of deep dived into a lot of ecosystems, problem solving statements that a lot of people have not noticed. So our aim is to sort of bring that out as well. The other thing, we want to position ourselves as a global trading engine with Decibel launching in, with Shelby launching in. We're doing a lot more than people are actually aware of.
What kind of application do you want to see build on? Developers can build on Aptos.
Because we are a layer blockchain, you can literally build anything, but you can. There are some unique propositions that we offer, on-chain randomness. So, for example, it's great to build a lot of, I don't know, gambling applications. I don't think I should say this, but it's great. But anything that can use on-chain randomness is great. We are also building Decibel. You can build on top of Decibel. We want to position ourselves as a global trading engine. So any DeFi product is great, but it's not restricted to just DeFi. You can build anything.
So are there any ongoing program where developers can join?
Not yet, because we are almost at the end of it. We are finishing our last funnel at the moment. We have assembly that's going on already, which will end on the 9th of December. So we'll see post that sometime next year. We'll start again with our programs.
Yeah, and what's been your biggest learning since joining Aptos?
One is that the community here really loves Aptos. Second is that every founder who's been in the Aptos ecosystem really appreciates the support. What we want to do is provide more of this, showcase more of this to the other ones to onboard more such people.
And if the community wants to connect with you, how can they connect?
You can follow me on Twitter. It's Sri Lakshmi TC, and my Telegram is the same name. Feel free to text me, and I'll be there as a support.
Yeah, it was so good to hear from you. Thank you for it.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.